saw very strong winds on the east side of this thing. A lot of rain.
With the storm downgraded to a tropical depression, Texans have to deal with not just the aftermath of Bill,
Another day in paradise.
like cleaning these flooded condos in Seabrook, Texas,
Went to work, came home, this happened.
but now have more rains, flooding, and potential tornadoes to deal with.
Hoping it'll not get higher because it is going up in our staircase and our balcony.
Tropical Storm Bill made landfall about 90 miles southwest of Houston on Tuesday, with maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. Forecasters say portions of Texas could see 3 to 6 inches of rain through Wednesday, with some isolated areas getting up to 12 inches. All that rain, by the way, is bad news for a state that is recovering from 2 months of historic rains and flooding. Just ask Frank Prochaska.
We thought we were out of the woods, and now this tropical depression's coming up.
A couple of weeks ago, storms caused water to swell up from a nearby lake, washing out his front lawn and draining into his home. Now rains from Bill are threatening to do the same again. May has been the wettest month ever in the state's history. All that rain means many lakes and reservoirs are close to capacity, and flood-prone areas still saturated. Storms over the Memorial Day weekend brought widespread flooding to Texas and Oklahoma, killing more than 30 people. In Prochaska's community, water management officials are worrying about just how bad another wave of wet weather could get.
We have 3 different reservoirs that are on the West Fork of the Trinity River, Lake Bridgeport, Eagle Mountain, and Lake Worth. And part of our job is to make sure that we pass the water through all of them and minimize any damage.
CBN's Operation Blessing was on the ground helping victims of the last flooding in Texas. Well, teams are back in the region again, preparing to work with local pastors to help residents and assist with cleanup. Meanwhile, Bill is expected to weaken as it moves through Texas and into Oklahoma over the next couple of days. George Thomas, CBN News.